Hello and welcome to the channel The Code Sprint. Today we are going to discuss about speech recognition in Python and its integration with Notepad. So let's check the code. Before explaining the code, let's run it.
Good evening. How may I help you today?
Open Notepad. Start writing. This education academy aims to empower each child with a sound foundation of knowledge. Stop writing. Now it's not writing. Start writing. Hello. Now again it started writing. Exit. Integration with Notepad. Thank you.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.
Let's see the code now. So here I have imported few modules as per my requirement. Then again, as I said in my previous video, that pyttsx3 I am using this to create a voice. Then this is for speak. This is speak function. This is wish me function. Then after that take command. It will take command and convert into query. So here is the main part. So as I said that when I started I gave instructions to open Notepad, so it opened for me. Then it opened like this. First it went to start, then typed Notepad here like this, and then enter. So once it started the Notepad application, then whenever I said start writing, then only it went to this while loop. So it started writing, but if the condition is exit, then it saved and it came out of the loop here. Similarly, if it is stop writing, then it is coming out of the loop here. So if it is not exit or stop writing, it will start writing everything. So once I gave instruction to exit, it went to alt, then file, then X for exit. Then after that, for example here, let's take one example here and see what exactly it is doing. Sorry, it got closed. So here, suppose I have written some text here and I want to close it, exit it. So Alt F X. So here whenever I am giving X, it is trying to save. So it click on save. Then after that it is taking my command and I gave integration with Notepad. So when I gave integration with Notepad, it took it and it saved into a default folder. So you need to know that where exactly it is getting saved. Then only you can go and access it after you save this document, Notepad document. So I'm cancelling here. So this is the exit condition and it executed all these alt file exit enter, then it took my command and gave the file name, then again saved it properly. So after that whenever I said thank you, it closed the application. So this is all about integration of speech recognition with Notepad. Hope you understood everything and you will improvise it and you will make better application than this. Thank you.